So today we're going to be talking about another really important aspect that you need to have in order to succeed with your woodworking business. And that aspect is you must love learning. So that means like, because when you're running a woodworking business, you're always, uh, learning new things. Like, never a custom order will never be exactly the same to exactly the same as another one. Or just because wood has different densities, every tree is different in some sort of way. So that means every piece of lumber you have is different in some sort of way. That means that you're going to have to work with it maybe slightly different because it is a little bit different. But that's the biggest thing, is you must love to learn. Or you might get people. When I first started, I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't really like to learn a whole bunch. Like, I got scared pretty easy when custom orders came my way, so I usually declined them because I didn't want to learn how to do that, make that sort of design and stuff like that, because I didn't know how to do that. I wanted to stick to the designs that I kind of knew already, which then that really hurt my business because I missed out on maybe 5 custom orders. Like, that could have worked out to $1,000 I could have made if I was just willing to learn and liked it, you know? And for me too, I should have done it, but nowadays I'm a lot better. I do enjoy learning quite a bit and trying new things, like new ways to do things and stuff like that. And YouTube is a great place to learn, but for me to really love learning too, I need to see the reward, like that I'm actually going to gain something from it. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys again here. I'm in a calculus class, and I absolutely hate that class now. I used to love math, but now I don't. I don't like. It's okay. It's okay, but I don't see really. The math before used to be decently useful. Physics is good because that's useful, but calculus is just random stuff. Trying to find x, the hardest way you can possibly find it. Like, we already designed the calculator. The calculator can tell us, but somehow we gotta do it other ways. But I see no reward in why it's important for me to learn that. Where is that going to get me in life? Especially when, I'm going into the trades here first. Maybe later in life, maybe I'll try to do something else. But first off, I'm going to start off in the trades and for carpentry, apprentice and do that. But then, yeah, so for me, I always need to see the reward to want to learn it. And sometimes maybe there's a reward that I'm just not seeing with calculus, but with woodworking, yeah, for sure there is definitely a reward because I get to make money off of it, right? And I get to make some more money. And yeah, so that's just the biggest thing to succeed. The biggest way, or the biggest aspect that you need to have when with a woodworking business, is you need to love to learn. So, and then rewards will come. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and check out some of my other videos.